as when it comes to the political fight over Rahul Gandhi's vote chori campaign, that seems to have hit a new flashpoint. Right from the voter Adhikar Yatra in Bihar, the LOP has now warned the Chief Election Commissioner and two of his colleagues of stern action. This is the dhamki once again being given out in the open, saying that the opposition bloc, if it comes to power, then they would be taught a lesson. Vote chori showdown has escalated right after Rahul Gandhi has warned the three top EC officials. The mega protest that has been held on part of the opposition bloc, and mainly protesting against the EC officials who were very much present there when the EC decided to hold a counter briefing to counter when it comes to the allegations that have been leveled by the opposition, mainly Congress being spearheaded by Rahul Gandhi on that Sunday press briefing, where the Election Commission has now issued an ultimatum to Congress, to multiple of these leaders who have been raising the vote chori allegations, which has been deemed as an insult to the Constitution, wherein the ultimatum that has been issued: take an oath, put it down on paper, or else if you're not ready to, then apologize to the nation for misleading the public, for misleading the citizens. Well, that has been the contention that has been taken by the Election Commission, but Rahul Gandhi openly continues to threaten the poll body. Well, in the meantime, let's talk about the proceedings of Parliament. Once again, that has been marred by protests. We are looking at pictures both inside and outside Parliament, where you can see the opposition continues with their posters and placards of vote chori, where they have continuously been raising their voice inside Parliament as well. The business of the House has been affected, mainly when we talk about majority of the monsoon session. The pictures that are now currently coming in from the Lok Sabha, amid Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who seems to be speaking in the House, there is nothing but disturbance and ruckus that could be heard next to him.
सर्वे किया गया, तमिलनाडु की सरकार ने सर्वे नहीं किया सर, सर्वे तक नहीं किया.
Well, that has been the same visuals and scenes that are almost witnessed on a daily basis, with no function of the House, with no business of the House being allowed to function. Let's get in a word from Mohit now. Mohit, it's the same story, seems to be repeating almost every day that we are looking of the Parliament proceedings. It seems that the entire session would be a washout, the opposition not letting the House function.
Well, yes, in fact, and as we can see in the visuals, the opposition MPs are near the well, while Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the agriculture minister of the country, was speaking. The opposition is continuing with their protest. Now, this is happening in Lok Sabha, while Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. As soon as the proceedings of the Rajya Sabha begin, we saw the opposition parties protesting, coming to the near well of the House, and then the Rajya Sabha was adjourned till 2 p.m. But in Lok Sabha, this massive ruckus, the proceedings are not being able to start properly, where the opposition party leaders, they are demanding the debate and discussion on SIR. They have been saying this, that there has to be a discussion on, as they say, the word vote chori that is being used by the opposition. And we have seen that how around 70 to 72 hours still now have been wasted because of these protests. And yesterday, JP Nadda also spoke about it, that how exactly the money of the taxpayers is getting wasted. And today is the day when in Lok Sabha, for the second day consecutively, the debate on Shubhanshu Shukla and India's space mission will take place. Yesterday it did not take place because of the protest. Well, this is coming on the sidelines when the Supreme Court has also rejected the plea to cancel Maharashtra polls over bogus vote claims that has been made regularly by the opposition. To that, we are looking at, even as disruptions continue, the Rajya Sabha that has already been adjourned, minutes of the proceedings that commenced for the day. Similar situation is being witnessed in the Lok Sabha as well. I believe Mohit has filed a ground report when the opposition MPs were holding a protest. Let's take a look.
The opposition parties are protesting against the Election Commission and the SIR over here, but these visuals are very interesting over here. The banner which Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Akhilesh Yadav and others are holding, it has pictures of 3 election commissioners and it says vote chore. So the opposition parties again are protesting at the Makar Dwar, and what they say is that they want debate and discussion on SIR, while it's a massive fight between the EC and the opposition parties over the issue of SIR, where the opposition parties are demanding debate and discussion and they are not allowing the parliament to function.
But as far as the dhamki politics is concerned, that continues on part of the opposition, as they were also mulling for an impeachment motion against the Chief Election Commissioner. This is what Rahul Gandhi has now to say as far as issuing a fresh warning.
आप एक बात समझ लो,
मगर एक बात समझ लो, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब यहाँ पे बिहार में और दिल्ली में इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार होगी, फिर हम आप तीनों को देखेंगे, कार्रवाई आपके खिलाफ करेंगे और पूरा देश जिससे आपने चोरी की है
परिषद और सेटल समिति का प्रावधान है, जो कि भारतीय कृषि अनुसंधान परिषद जो कि कृषि शिक्षा के लिए प्रोफेशनल स्टैंडर्ड सेटिंग बॉडी के रूप में कार्य करेगा। GLC के सदस्य के रूप में शैक्षणिक मानकों को निर्धारित करने के लिए अपने गवर्नमेंट विषयों के शिक्षण अनुसंधान और विस्तार कार्यों के बीच समन्वय स्थापित करने का काम करती है। इसके साथ अध्यक्ष महोदय कृषि शिक्षा की गुणवत्ता की प्रतिष्ठा को सुदृढ़ करने के लिए भारतीय कृषि अनुसंधान परिषद ICAR, राष्ट्रीय कृषि शिक्षा विकास बोर्ड NEB के द्वारा कृषि विश्वविद्यालय, कॉलेज और कार्यक्रमों के प्रतिष्ठापन के लिए कार्य कर रही है। अध्यक्ष महोदय, राष्ट्रीय कृषि शिक्षा प्रतिष्ठापन बोर्ड के उद्देश्य 4 है। प्रतिष्ठापन प्रक्रिया के अंतर्गत संस्थान और निर्धारित न्यूनतम मानकों की पहचान करना, मौजूदा कृषि संबंधित विषयों को संस्थानों को शैक्षणिक कार्यक्रमों के सुधार के मार्गदर्शन करना, नए संस्थानों एवं कार्यक्रमों के विकास को प्रोत्साहित करना, कृषि शिक्षा अनुसंधान राष्ट्रीय को अनुरूप प्रतिष्ठापन के मानदंड, संस्थान का दृष्टिकोण, मिशन निर्देश, शासन और प्रशासन, शिक्षा परिक्षण गुणवत्ता और उसके अलावा।
Well, even as we speak, the business of the House is being marked by protest on part of the opposition. Let's in the meantime listen into other reactions that are coming in from the opposition side.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की आप धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं, हाँ? बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर को सपनों को चकनाचूर कर रहे हैं। बाबा साहब ने सपना देखा था कि देश के अंदर रहने वाला प्रत्येक नागरिक अमीर हो या गरीब वो उसको बराबरी का अधिकार और वोट के माध्यम से उन्होंने उसको अंगीकृत करने का काम किया था। आप उस सपने को चकनाचूर कर रहे हो। लोगों को जाति और धर्म के आधार पर उनके वोटों का काटने का काम बड़े पैमाने पर आपने कर दिया और आप कह रहे हो कि हम आरोप लगा रहे हैं। हमने तो सारे जो दस्तावेज पेश किए वो आप ही के थे। आपके कटे हुए वोटों में जिन्होंने 2024 के अंदर मतदान किया उन्होंने सामने आकर बोल दिया। तो क्या तमाशा बना रखा है आपने?
निश्चित रूप से जो प्रशासनिक पद में है, ये जो संवैधानिक पद में है, जो भी अपने दायित्वों का निर्वाह नहीं करेंगे और उसे लोकतांत्रिक प्रक्रिया और जनता के अधिकारों का हनन होता, संवैधानिक अधिकारों का हनन होता है, तो दंड के भागी होंगे। राहुल जी इसी बात को सचेत कर रहे हैं। और एक प्रशासनिक प्रक्रिया में होता, आपने देखा होगा कि सो कॉज पहले इशू किए जाते हैं अगर किसी के द्वारा गलती की जाती है, फिर प्रपत्र क भरे जाते हैं, ऐसा एक प्रक्रिया होती है। तो राहुल गांधी जी लगातार उन्हें सचेत कर रहे हैं कि आप अपने जिम्मेदारी से ना भागे, और मैं समझता हूं कि ये कहीं से भी अनुचित नहीं है।
Well, the BJP too that has been taking on the opposition, in particular the Vipaksha, over as far as the vote chori campaign and the voter adhikar yatra that continues in Bihar. Meanwhile, the protest on part of the opposition continues both inside and outside parliament. This is how the BJP is reacting.
ये ECI नहीं, ये EMI का मामला है, इमरजेंसी माइंडसेट ऑफ इंदिराज ग्रैंडसन। उस समय 50 वर्ष पहले इंदिरा जी ऐसे ही संवैधानिक तंत्र को दबाती थी, आज भी राहुल गांधी वही करते हैं। ये एंटाइटल्ड माइंडसेट ऑफ इंदिराज ग्रैंडसन है कि परिवार तंत्र लोकतंत्र के ऊपर, अगर कोई फैसला मेरे हक में आए तो कोर्ट ठीक, चुनाव आयोग ठीक, वरना उनको धमकी देंगे। ये वही मानसिकता है, तानाशाही और इंटॉलरेंस वाली मानसिकता। ये संविधान के ऊपर परिवार को रखते हैं और इसीलिए बार बार इलेक्शन कमीशन हो, चाहे सेना हो, चाहे सनातन हो, चाहे संसद हो, चाहे सुप्रीम कोर्ट हो, चाहे संवैधानिक तंत्र हो, इसका अपमान करते हैं और यही कांग्रेस की पहचान बन चुकी है।
All right, let's get a word from Nyamika as well. Nyamika, as far as the opposition is concerned, because they seem to be not putting a lot of focus as far as the proceedings that are being taken up in the Supreme Court, even when it comes to the Supreme Court also rejecting the plea to cancel Maharashtra polls over Vocus votes. This is something that has been also put across by the Bombay High Court as well. But they continue with their poll plank. It seems that is a vote chori till the Bihar elections take place.
Well, yes, as the opposition has taken up this matter, which they are, alleging against the Election Commission of India about vote chori, about vote theft, which they are saying that Election Commission has done in Maharashtra as well as in the state of Haryana and Karnataka as well, and now they are trying to do it in Bihar through SIR. So all of these issues have been taken up by the opposition parties, and that is the only reason why continuously there is protest which is going on outside the parliament. And for that reason, we have seen that yesterday also, once again, Rahul Gandhi has given a threat to the Election Commission officers. However, this is not the very first time when he has given this kind of a statement. Earlier also during a press conference which he held in the national capital, at that point in time also he had given this threat that when India bloc parties will form the government at the center, there will be a very strong action which will be taken against the Election Commission officers, whoever were being involved in this vote chori, which the opposition is alleging upon the Election Commission of India. However, on the other side, we have also seen that how many of the other members of the Congress party are also coming out in support of Rahul Gandhi's statement, as it was Mr. Sukhdev Bhagat who said that what Rahul Gandhi has said is basically a show cause notice. As per the process, firstly the show cause notice is being sent to those against whom there is any kind of action which is going to be taken. So that is what Rahul Gandhi was meant to say by making this kind of a statement. Others members are also saying that it is basically an attack upon the democracy.
Up close and personal as far as when it comes to single-handedly targeting the poll body. Not just that, the chief election commissioner and the other election commissioners who were also present with him. Thank you very much for the moment, Yamika, for getting connected with us. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching